This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Steve Carlson. Completely renovated in 2021. Beautiful waterfront home with views of the water from the majority of the home. This is a must-see. New LVP floors throughout, open floor plan, large kitchen with quartz countertops and extra large island, gas range, all new KitchenAid appliances. Corner hurricane glass sliding glass doors opens the whole corner of the kitchen and dining area. Master bedroom has an additional space perfect for a sitting area or office. New Bosch AC, energy efficiency is enhanced with a foam insulated attic. Endless hot water with a new tankless gas water heater, all new plumbing and electrical, new water softener, new sprinkler drip system fed by in-ground well, Xeroscaping, beautifully landscaped, extra large paver circular driveway, extra large paver back lanai area. Large covered lanai, built-in outdoor kitchen with top-of-the-line grill, Alfresco, 2-burner cooktop, smoker, 2 Thermador hoods, large bar area. Salt water in-ground pool with automatic pool sweeper. All screened in. New pool pump. Composite decking on boat dock with 13 pound lift with electric/water, plus floating dock. Largest canal in Apollo Beach with deep water, easy access to Tampa Bay. No CDD/no HOA. Apollo Beach is centrally located, within 40 to 60 minutes to Tampa, Bradenton, Sarasota, St. Petersburg and the Tampa Airport. Closer by boat. I come and experience tranquil living on the water. It's paradise. For more information, review the details below.